Okay, welcome to another Affinity Photo tutorial. Tonight we have a quick one for you. It's how to go from a full color image to a pencil sketch inside of Affinity Photo, and this is actually very simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. We'll create a new file and we'll make it 1920 by 1080. We'll zoom out. We need to place our color picture in, so we'll go to File and Place, and I'm going to use this picture of this young lady here, kind of like an anime style picture. So we'll just go ahead and drag her out, and she's a PNG. We'll put her right in the center there. All right, so the very first thing we need to do is rasterize and trim this. And now that we've got that rasterized and trimmed, let's duplicate it by hitting Command J. So on this top layer, we're going to come down to the adjustments and we're going to give it a hue, saturation, and lightness adjustment. And all we're going to do is take the saturation shift and pull it all the way down. So basically, we're taking all the color out of it, making it black and white. And we'll put that adjustment, attach it to that upper layer, and then rasterize and trim that one as well. So now what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this layer, Command J. And this time we're going to invert this layer. So we're going to invert the colors. So to do that, we're going to hit Command and I for invert. And that makes it look like a negative. So let's change the blend mode on that from normal. We're going to change it to color dodge. So when we do that, you can see all the detail disappears, or we think it disappeared. But by going up to filters here, we're going to add a blur, and we're going to make that a minimum blur. And since I already did this before, it's already set at 2 pixels. So the higher you go, the less of a blur it is, but we're going to go with 2 pixels. That seems to be like the sweet spot on this, and we'll apply that. So if we look at that right there, that's not looking too bad. We do see a lot of texture still in her shirt and stuff, so you can tell it's kind of coming from an image. We want to make it a little bit more like a hard line drawing. So let's give it one more adjustment. We're going to come down here and give it a threshold adjustment. And then just by cranking up the threshold percentage, we can start to drag in our detail, get it to right where we feel like we have enough. We don't want like that because that looks kind of splotchy, dirty. So let's go with about, I'm going to say 85%. And we can also change the blend mode on that to soften it up a little bit. We can go to hard light. Hard light removes that texture as well. And then once we're all done, we need to group these together, because if we were to move things around, we would lose the effect. So we'll go to Shift and we'll group those, and then we can rasterize and trim those. And now if we wanted to, we can go in and put a blank pixel layer in behind it and either bring in another image, or just for the sake of this, we'll just give it a gradient backdrop. So it's a gray gradient backdrop. And there you go. Very quick and easy way to do a pencil sketch from a full color picture. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button or think about subscribing to my channel. And until next time, peace. Talk to you later. Bye.